Hello everyone. I'm starting with a large LED light bulb. Now that I've opened the light bulb, I'll remove the AA batteries inside. These batteries often contain a useful carbon rod, which is exactly what we need for our project. I'm focusing on these because their internal structure holds a key component for this build. Next, I'm taking one of the AA batteries and carefully using pliers to strip away its outer metal casing. This step is important because I need to expose the inner layers and eventually extract the graphite rod, which will be the core of our new tool. I'll continue by using a utility knife to precisely cut away the remaining battery material. This requires a steady hand to ensure I don't damage the carbon rod within. The goal is to isolate this conductive material cleanly. With the casing removed, I can now use needle nose pliers to extract the small carbon rod along with its metal cap. I'll then thoroughly clean the rod with a tissue to remove any residue, ensuring optimal conductivity for its new purpose. I'm inserting the carbon rod into my drill chuck and tightening it securely. This allows me to use the drill's rotation for the next crucial step, sharpening. I'm using a sanding disc to carefully create a fine, pointed tip on the carbon rod. This sharp point will concentrate the heat, making our tool highly effective. After sharpening, I'll clean the tip again with a tissue to remove any dust or debris from the sanding process. Then carefully remove it from the drill. The clean, sharp tip is now ready for assembly. I'm taking a small brass fitting and screwing the sharpened carbon rod into it. This fitting will provide a secure connection and a solid base for the next components. I'll use a screwdriver to tighten it, ensuring stability. Now for the main heating element, a spark plug. I'll attach the carbon rod assembly to the spark plug, securing it with another small screw and tightening it firmly. This combination will allow us to convert electrical energy into concentrated heat. I took a red electrical wire, stripped off a small section of insulation, and wrapped the exposed copper around a soldering iron tip attached to the spark plug assembly. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'll then use pliers to twist it tightly, ensuring a strong electrical connection for efficient power transfer. At the other end of the red wire, I measured and cut a length that was just right. I used pliers to strip the outer insulation and tightly twisted the exposed copper wires. Next, I connected the other end of the red wire to the metal thread of the spark plug. This provides a return path for our circuit, completing the heating element's wiring. I took a longer red electrical wire and attached an alligator clip to one end. The alligator clips allow me to easily and safely connect to the power source. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. With the other end of the red wire, I stripped off the outer insulation and twisted the copper wires together in preparation for connection. I connected the wire to the central electrode of the spark plug. Safety is paramount, so I'm now wrapping all the exposed electrical connections on the spark plug assembly with red electrical tape. This insulates them, preventing any accidental short circuits or shocks when the tool is in use. A good wrap ensures everything stays put. To make this tool easier and safer to handle, I'm attaching an adjustable wrench to the spark plug. This provides a sturdy handle and helps dissipate some heat, making it comfortable to use. Make sure it's tight and secure, as this is where you'll be holding it. For the other side of our circuit, I'm taking a yellow electrical wire. I will strip the insulation from the ends of the wires and attach black alligator clips. Twist the wires tightly together and then wrap them with black rubber insulation. This yellow wire with 2 clips will complete our electrical circuit to the target. Now for the power source. I'm using a 21-volt Makita battery. To ensure good electrical contact on the battery terminals, I'm placing small metal washers on them. This creates a solid point for our alligator clips to connect. I'm connecting the red alligator clip from our spark plug tool to the positive terminal of the battery, and one of the black alligator clips from a yellow wire to the negative terminal. The other black clip will be used to complete the circuit with whatever material we want to work on. Now for the moment of truth. I'm testing the tool on an aluminum Coca-Cola can. See how quickly the carbon rod glows red hot and easily cuts right through the aluminum? It's incredibly effective, creating a clean, melted cut. But it's not just for cutting. I'm placing 2 razor blades on a wooden block. By touching the heated carbon rod to the blades and completing the circuit with the black alligator clip, I can melt and fuse them together, essentially soldering them with intense heat. This tool proves to be quite versatile. And there you have it. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve amazing things. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.